shiny bit of metal that spins through the water.
He's going in deeper. Got waders on.
What is that going in? The full pond.